Landscape lighting is crucial, but 2020 is upon us. What are the latest trends when it comes to landscape lighting, and how can you separate yourself from everybody else? Let's go. What's up? It's Bobby K, professional landscape designer and installer. So with landscape lighting, I think most people realize that, yeah, it's important. It's important to light up your investment, make it look good. But here are some trends that I want to share with you for separating landscape lighting from your typical shining up on the house. What if you could do some design with those landscape lights? Let's get into 4 designs. I'm gonna show you what it's all about and teach you some things. Picture number 1, we're talking about pathway lights, but not just pathway lighting. We're talking about how you can create patterns with pathway lights. And you see 2 examples here where they're shining the lights in different ways and they have different spacing so that it creates a pattern along the pathway, which looks really cool versus just a couple of lights down a path. Picture number 2, I really like this. This is not typically my style, this woodland kind of style, but how cool is it to be able to take logs, drill a hole through them, put a light up through there, cut out a couple notches, and boom, it illuminates. This is getting creative. This is a cool design feature. Instead of doing your typical pathway lights, why not take some like leftover logs, line those, and do something like this? Really cool. Picture number 3, I like this because this is an inexpensive lighting example and it's got some cool little grooves in there so it shines out like stars. They put these lights close enough together so it almost created like a grid on the walkway. So when you get out of your car and you step out and you see this kind of grid up to the path to your house, I think that's pretty neat and I like it. Picture number 4, these are some really cool and modern lighting focal points is what I'd call these things. I could see these lining a path. I could see them in various spots in a garden or in like a gravel area, just a really cool, clean look. I'm predicting that you're gonna see a lot of these kinds of illuminated objects in 2020 design, specifically on the modern side, but I also think I could see it in some Japanese styles. Yeah. This is only part 1 of a 10-part series and they just get better as I go. I got a lot of really cool 2020 trends that I know you're gonna like. So here's how you're gonna get hit to all this. I want you to subscribe, hit the alarm bell so that when that next video posts, you're notified and you get to stay up to date with all the latest trends and make your place just that much cooler. I'll see you on the next one.